So you have rabbits that are not doing well. You have rabbits that are not feeding well. You have rabbits that are not active enough. These are reasons why your rabbits are not feeding well. These are likely reasons why your rabbits are not doing well. And the first reason is there enough water available for your rabbits? The second reason is observe if your rabbits are in state of ill health. And yes, ill health can reduce their activity, ill health can reduce their feed intake, ill health can reduce their water intake, and ill health can be visible if you just observe your rabbit. Another one is, are there changes in temperature? Because high temperatures reduce their feed intake, and providing or regulating the temperature in their pen might make it more conducive for them to be more active, to feed better, and to drink more water. So influence of temperature, influence of the prevailing weather condition can influence level of activity or inactivity of your rabbit. What quality of feed are you providing for your rabbits? Most at times when you give the same routine feed, set of feed to your rabbit, it might end up no longer being palatable to the rabbit. So what is the quality of feed? Check the quality of feed you provide for your rabbit. Then the physiological state of your rabbit. If your rabbit is pregnant, if the female rabbit is pregnant, or you have a lactating rabbit, then you should know that the feeding need, the feeding requirement of that particular rabbit is different, and you must be able to offer what is required to that rabbit. The availability of varieties of feed. Provide your rabbit with varieties of feed. How fresh is the feed you provide for your rabbit? If you offer stale feed, rotten roughages, bad roughages, or bad forage crops to your rabbits, it might contribute to them not feeding properly. Then the timeliness. When you do not adhere to the timeliness of your feeding, when you do not adhere to the particular time you feed your rabbit, it will surely affect with their level of activity, level of response to feeding and to growth.